Hey, what's up guys? Sagarus Millionaire here. Just wanted to do another quick little market update for you guys. I was looking at a few different charts here. I actually picked up a position last night here in Factum, and we're looking here on a 1 hour chart here. And what I saw, I think, yeah, this is what I talked about last night, so I guess we'll just kind of briefly touch on the update, touch on an update there a little bit. As you can see here, whoa, 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 calm down. There we go. As you can see here, we got a little bit of a impulse up from my original buy spot there. Decided to go long somewhere in this. Where did I decide to go long? Right there at 13,085. So a little bit higher than I originally intended. I still recommend we keep our stop there. This one says 25.4. I put it down at probably 24.5 just to be safe. Maybe 25 just to keep the risk limited a little bit. It's not going to drop beneath this little trend line here. That's a if it drops out of there, we definitely want to cancel out the trade. So yeah, we'll keep it kind of tight there, right there at say 254, 253. And we're hoping to ride it up there to the target there at right around 0.15. So as you can see, the profit is quite awesome once that goes through. So if you have bought into Factum already, if you're in a long position, I recommend you hold it. If you have yet to buy into Factum, it may still get another retracement down into this area. I'd say if you haven't entered a trade yet, hold off till we get down beneath the support line. Let's see, what is that labeled as? 0.514? Does that sound right? 514? Yeah, cool. So we'll go with that. Looking over here at Ethereum. Still have yet to see the bounce that we want, but that's good. Gives us another chance to buy some more. I have yet to actually open my long position on this yet. As you can see, I got a little target price there for the support line where I think, yeah, you can see there it kind of bounced down there. So I'll kind of move that over and what's that labeled as? 0.0382. So would be a great position to buy in. Honestly, anywhere in this blue triangle bounds of it. See the upper bounds 0.0382. You can get in below 0.0382. In fact, go ahead and put yourself an order in if you're trying to go long on this. Set it at 0.03822. That's where we can go with that. And we're looking to ride this one up. I like the potential of Ethereum here. This next move is looking to bring us up at least to that line there at 0.046. So, you got the buy spot there. Our target there is going to be 0.046. Oh my gosh, driving me nuts. And I got a stop loss set down here at 0.0346, which is beneath this trend line here at 35. It could retrace all the way down here to 0.33, but I'd rather stop out than potentially take that loss because, I mean, it hasn't been down here in a while. And, I mean, it's been, what, a couple weeks now? Hasn't been down here in a while, and I'd be concerned that if we were to stop out at this position, that this support line may be in question. So, let's go ahead and leave it there. And, if we stop out, we'll always have the opportunity to open another trade when it looks a little bit better. The other one I'm looking at is Decred. And as you can see here, we had a couple dips into the buying, the sweet spot there. Actually, that one went real far down. That would have been nice if you could have picked that up. But you can see where I got in right there. And certainly not ideal. A little earlier than I had hoped for. But that's okay. We're all learning here. So looks like we're going to be riding this one up here to the resistance level at 0.01429. If you can buy it beneath, I mean, ideally at 0.0108. I mean, if you could get back down to here where it's dropped, that'd be perfect. But anything honestly underneath 0.011 would be great. If we just take a look at what that what that looks like with the long, if you know somewhere where I can trade Decred on leverage, that would be cool. I don't know of any, but we'll bring our target up here, set the stop beneath this original retrace line, or this original line right here. We'll set the stop beneath that. And not the prettiest trade, to tell you the truth. 1.48 risk to return ratio. Yeah, I don't really like that a whole lot. What I'd say, chances of it dropping beneath here are pretty slim. I mean, it tested that level there, which is a little bit higher, and it's shown a lot of support here. We've got essentially a double bottom with one there and one there, and then this other one here. I mean, technically, I guess it could go back down here and test this again, but if it goes, yeah, we'll go ahead and set our stop just beneath that line, and that setup looks a little bit better. That way we're not risking too much in case it does drop, and that gives us a 2.49. I'm always looking for at least 2 to 1. If I'm going to put my hard-earned money into a trade, that I earn with my sweat and blood, I want at least a 2 to 1. I want to earn at least 2 times my money on that. So, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Take a look at those 3 trades. I got you some numbers there to look at. So, let me know how it's going, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Agorist Millionaire. I'm on Twitter at Agorist Millionaire. And yeah, with that being said, guys, as always, let's go and get that money.